Went ahead and ordered a new 6X5 GT for 10 bucks. And here's the LXI series VCR from Sears. It's made by Hitachi. Hopefully it's like the last one that I got that just works. Fucking small. Here's a look at the inside. Got that glue that goes conductive. Glad I didn't say corrosive that time. The drum spins. 2 fuses there. Looks alright. Let me get my phone for a flashlight. Check out that tire right there. Or the pinch roller. Decent. Hopefully we'll get that Curtis Mathis TV today from that disabled senior citizen he described himself as. This looks alright. Do you think it just works like that one did? Here's the back of the unit. Made in Japan by Hitachi. Power transformer in there. It is hi-fi, which is nice. Matters to me because I actually watch tapes. It's music tapes too. Gonna try it out on the RCA color track here via RF. It's got a nice bright VFD, and just like the one to the left, it's more gray in person, more blue on camera. You have the 1978 RCA color track with continuing grayscale issues. It really sucks. Anyway, let's get it hooked up. That's weird. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Where's this on-screen display? QSR. Channel 3. Huh. Ooh. Yeah, it looks like this thing's garbage. Or not in great shape. Oh, VCR/TV. TV. VCR. Okay, that's not good. Why is it doing that? I'm gonna put my head cleaner tape in there. My crappy one. I have a dry one. I mean, this one's dry too. Well, there's no fluid, so yeah, it's dry. Ooh, look at that. Oh. Blank. EP mode. Yeah, I love the sound of these older VCRs. That's awesome. Didn't need the tape. So, do the Simon Phillips Returns tape, even though that's part 2 in the series. I like that one better, I think. Like I said, this is my test tape. Hasn't been eaten once. I backed it up too, did a tape to tape transfer. It's not even in there, Timmy. Doofus, dummy, whatever the hell I'm gonna say, jeez. It's right here. Copied it to that yellow BASF tape. Okay. It's from 92. I don't know what year. It's from late 80s. I'll run the FCC ID. Whoa. Damn, gave up. This is an awesome setup. Maybe we should take the top off and examine what it does. Let's put the converter box through here, see if that works. It should. See how noisy it makes the picture. Just gotta switch. No, I gotta just connect the converter box cable to the antenna. We'll do that and wrap up the video. And there'll be a part 2 if I can fix it. Hey. Pretty noisy. Commercial break as soon as I pick up the freaking... It's got some interference like that. It's kind of crappy.
If you're eligible,
shut up.
Even
Mr. Aguilar's fruit cart? But some...
Why the hell is that channel even on there? I don't even watch that crap. Same with
You're
this.
putting people's lives in danger.
Get
And all
back
she
here.
told me was, Mom, I'm stuck in a ditch.
It's frustrating. I mean, there's another train.
So what happens if a train blocks this crossing?
Then there's no way in and out.
2 plus 2 is 4.
Same networks.
Shut up.
Well, we had 3 guys out with injuries. Come on.
No, I didn't know the district was on at 9
It's in the
a.m.
coaching, Tom. It's always in the coaching.
It's not very era appropriate.
Organization, it's the coaching. See, I have never seen a winning team.
Probably know who this guy is.
All right? Jack, I'm not the enemy. I want to help you. Boy, now am I getting close to something here?
Too bad the picture's so noisy. I like the
Because you're starting to circle the wagons
volume,
here.
whatever.
The CIA is involved, but not in the way you
good sounding speaker.
We sent Daniel Laird into the Elkwood group. God, Tommy.
I did a quick video on this because the actual video is not going to be out for a long time. RCA CTC 89 picture and sound brief. That's what the title's called. You can see Frank in the thumbnail.
What happened before me, I can't control. And I can't promise there aren't